Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Derpy here, and today I wanted to show you some updates that I made to the Lights Out game. It's now scalable to just about any size grid. If you come over here and you change the dimension size, which is n, which is what the grid size will be n times n, right? So right now we're on a grid size of 15, but we can take that down to a grid size 5, right? So we'll just do that, right? So we end up with grid size of 5 and functions just like it should, right? And now there is a way to get back to the normal screen to be able to choose which mode you want to go into, draw mode. You can just come in here, be able to play the game, not, go for the win state, doesn't calculate for the win state. You can just mess around, figure out how to play different size grids. Pretty sure I can win. That would have been a win, actually, if I wasn't in draw. So, um, then I can take it to, uh, let's see. We can just take it to, I don't know. Can I do 20? Then I set the screen size to be able to do that. Let's try it. No, I did not. Embarrassing. So let's go ahead and just go to like 15, like it was at. Hey, I can handle that size. So the CPU still functions. I decided to turn the color function off. You know what? Let's go ahead. Let's go back to here. Let's go ahead and turn the random colors back on for fun. I can save that. And then just watch it go. I am very satisfied with this. Uh, yeah, the code, it's nice. It's not nice. It's bad. It works well. It does what I want it to, and I can do a lot with it. So I'm pretty happy. Uh, it's a short one, but this is Turpy. This is Python. This is building. Lights out.